Hey दोस्तों, are you looking to pursue your bachelor's abroad, especially from the UK, but you're worried कि cost बहुत ज़्यादा है या फिर you're worried कि fall 2025 intake तो miss हो गया and these questions are making you feel stuck. आपके friends study abroad करने already जा रहे हैं, parents pressure create कर रहे हैं, relatives आपसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कि बेटा आप कब जाओगे study abroad करने and all of this is making you feel stuck. Then my dear friend, I have a very good solution for you where you don't have to wait for Jan intake and you can study from now. Yes, that is correct. You can study from this October 2025 intake. Today I am here to break this cycle for you and help you understand how thousands of students are already living their UK study abroad dream without breaking their family's bank account. There is a very smart way which will help you complete your bachelor's only with 14 to 27 lakh rather than spending 40 plus lakhs in the usual bachelor's degree. So all this sounds too good to be true, but this is absolutely real. Today I'll introduce you to the World Grads UK Advanced Accelerator program, and this will change your whole perspective of studying abroad, especially pursuing a bachelor's in the UK. So stay tuned with me for the full video. Hi, I am Abha, your favorite study abroad counselor from Edling Study Abroad, and today we are here again to understand one more opportunity related to study abroad, and this will change your whole perspective of studying abroad, especially pursuing a bachelor's in the UK. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं अक्टूबर 2025 इंटेक की। बहुत सारे बच्चों को तो ये आइडिया ही नहीं होता है कि अक्टूबर इंटेक भी कोई इंटेक है। यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स आर अवेयर अबाउट फॉल इंटेक, जो कि है अगस्त सितंबर। मेजरली स्टूडेंट्स को पता है अदर देन फॉल इज जनवरी इंटेक, जो कि है जनवरी एंड फरवरी। सो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं अक्टूबर 2025 इंटेक की। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ये आइडिया ही नहीं है कि अक्टूबर 2025 इंटेक भी एक चीज है, बट अक्टूबर इंटेक इज डेफिनेटली अ थिंग एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स डिजाइन्ड फॉर द स्मार्ट स्टूडेंट्स। वो स्टूडेंट्स जो अपना टाइम और मनी दोनों ही वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते while getting best education available. So let's go through the benefits of the October intake. First, गैप नहीं होगा अगर आप अक्टूबर इंटेक चूज करते हैं, बिकॉज फॉल इंटेक अगर आपका मिस हो गया है देन डेफिनेटली वेटिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट फॉल इंटेक इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ गैप इन योर प्रोफाइल. तो सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट है गैप ना होना. सेकेंड इज प्रॉपर accredited एजुकेशन. द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस डिग्री इज recognized globally. Third point is quick start. You can start your classes right from the second week of October. And the fourth point is timing. This timing is absolutely synced with Indian education system. So overall, no hustle, no gap, and quality education right from your doorstep. So, my dear friend, October intake is a golden opportunity for you. अब इस golden opportunity में है क्या? इस golden opportunity में है the World Grads Advanced Accelerator program gives you a very good flexibility where you can complete your full bachelor's in a 2+1 year format. अब इस 2+1 year format के साथ आप अपने स्टार्टिंग के 2 साल 1 साल में कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं right from the comfort of your home, and then the remaining 1 year education you can complete by being in the UK with your dream university. So अगर आप The World Grad के बारे में डिटेल में इंफॉर्मेशन लेना चाहते हैं then go ahead and click on the I button, क्योंकि हमने ऑलरेडी एक डिटेल्ड वीडियो फॉर दी वर्ल्ड ग्रैड बना के रखी है which will help you understand how this program overall works. The programs that we are discussing today will help you understand कि क्या जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, किन प्रोग्राम्स को लेकर के यू कैन ग्रो बेटर. सो अब हम बात करते हैं कि अक्टूबर इंटेक में क्या क्या कोर्स ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. तो द फर्स्ट वन इज Wrexham University, which provides Bachelor of Arts in International Business. This is an honors degree. International business overall covers cross-cultural trade, economics, and overall आपको आइडिया देता है about a business. Wrexham University is in Wales and have a very decent reputation overall with good industry connections. अगर हम career opportunities की बात करें, then after completing this course, you have the opportunity to become supply chain manager, business analytics manager, international marketing specialist, and global project manager. And if we discuss which companies hire from Wrexham University, then Google, Nestle, Unilever, all these companies hire even globally. The next one is De Montfort's Marketing Management. If not Wrexham University, then you can definitely move ahead with this marketing management course. De Montfort has a very good reputation in the UK for specific to marketing programs. This program is pure marketing based. This is CIM accredited. अगर हम career opportunities की बात करें तो kind of similar to Wrexham University. Other than these two universities, we also have many other universities and programs related to marketing and business. Now let's talk about some computer science and IT related programs. The first one is University of Portsmouth for computer science. So if you are looking to make your career in any of the tech area, that is cybersecurity, AI, business analytics, data protection, then definitely this program is going to help you out. This program is designed for industry-based curriculum. Here you will have clearer perspective of how computer science related courses work. So the next one is computer science program with UWE Bristol or Bedfordshire University. So both of these universities have a very strong computer science related program. Here you can study in detail about cybersecurity, software engineering, cyber crimes. Other than the computer science programs, if you are looking for software engineering, then Bedfordshire has software engineering as well. So software engineering will take you to the depth of specialization. Here you will learn about full life cycle of a program, design से लेकर के development तक. And again, you will definitely get hired with Google, Meta, Oracle and these big tech giants. This university provides a 2-year top-up program where you will have proper education about information technology. In here they cover cybersecurity, networking and smart systems. After completing your course, practically placements bhi available hain. You will get hired by IBM, Deloitte and Oracle. So now we have Wrexham University again. Wrexham University के पास computer science भी है and they also provide a computing program. So with computer science, you get detailed knowledge of programming, data science and Cisco academic partnership. So अब तक हमने overall बात करी कुछ courses की, जैसे business related programs, computer related programs and IT related programs. But WorldGrad के portfolio में सिर्फ इतना ही limit नहीं है. They have healthcare, hospitality, finance, business, arts, all the programs available. So you can go through the portfolio and choose as per your choice. और सबसे बड़ी बात, the WorldGrad के ये transfer programs tailor-made हैं for Indian students. These programs provide you affordable and smooth transition from Indian education towards your abroad dream. So hope कि ये overall information आपके लिए काम की थी. अब मैंने अपना काम कर दिया है by giving you the most practical and effective way of studying abroad. Now it's your turn to take action over it. So if you are someone who is looking to transition from your Indian education to abroad education in a smoother way, in a cost-effective way, then what are you waiting for? Give a call and book your free counseling session with us. Do share this video with your friends and family. Be the smart friend and help them explore the smarter way to study abroad. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and connect to your future.